Hi everyone, Danny Hogger here, and this week in my Ed 602 course, I begin my journey of discovery into how diversity can impact and benefit the classroom for all of my students as I follow through earning my Master's of Arts degree in teaching from San Diego Christian College. I'll be blogging through the whole experience. This content is sponsored by San Diego Christian College, and you can learn more about their online master's program and many other programs at sdcc.edu. So this week I've been reflecting on my students and how I can go beyond just celebrating festivals and food of cultures and acknowledging cultural contributions into a richer way of including diversity in my classroom. And as a history teacher, this is something I feel like I can do in many occasions. So as I was going through the first week of work at my online program, I was reading through the required weekly materials and reading through our textbook, and it came to me that I could use inquiry and project-based learning to improve the way in which students show their diversity and teach it to each other. So I assigned each of them an oral history interview for them to go reach out to someone who's significant in their family and meaningful to them, and someone who has also imparted culture to their family and handed down traditions. And what I found was a very rich result. Students came in and brought PowerPoints, photos, visuals, quotations, memories, and stories from their loved ones, and we left with such a richer understanding of who they were as individuals, how their culture informs their history, and I had them tie in something about their culture that ties into something that we're learning in either United States history class, economics, or government. The outcome was fantastic, and the students really enjoyed the process, and it actually brought us all a lot closer together as a school and learning community. That's pretty amazing stuff. And it goes beyond the 1-minute summaries of cultures that we might present from our understanding, lets everybody dive deeper and makes us all realize how many wonderful cultural traditions there are that bring together truly rich perspectives in the classroom. And it opens up dialogue, pathways, and possibilities in the future as well, so that's pretty exciting. Next up this week, we also read about schools that are raising the bar on how schools, parents, and communities can all team up to support students. As a high school teacher, I really feel strongly that I want my students to have strong future possibilities and pathways for success. That's why I was excited about this unit and reading about many different case studies and cutting-edge research, how these teams can work together to open up doors for extracurricular activities and achievements. This is something I'm going to talk about in the next video over the next week, so stay tuned to this vlog all throughout for all of the updates. In summary, the master's program at San Diego Christian College also has us reach for a greater wealth of possibilities, research, and resources to include in our teaching. It's adding constantly to our teacher toolkit, and just over the 3 months I've been in the program so far, I feel like I have expanded my tools in my toolkit and the way that I can expand, relate, and become a more reflective, meaningful teacher. Tune in the next video as I show you deeper about how schools, communities, and classrooms and parents are all working together in teams to better the possibilities of the futures of their students. For now, this is Danny Hogger saying thank you so much. Go to sdcc.edu for more information on the program, and I'll see you in the next vlog.